We're going to keep this simple, straightforward, and to the point. This is the IELTS writing template that our students at HZad Education use and score phenomenal marks time after time. This is the most popular question type, the opinion question. What do you think? Do you agree or disagree? Do you agree? What is your opinion? This question repeats so many times in the exams, and we got to master the template. We're going to go over it. I'll keep it simple, but also very effective because we're using advanced words and phrases from the get-go, from paragraph 1. So let's look at these words and phrases. But before that, look at the paragraphs 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 paragraphs in total only. That's all you need. Now we're going to start our intro with 2 main sentences. The first sentence is general, but it's not something very generic like you see usually. This topic has many advantages and disadvantages. We're not doing something like that. We're doing something advanced that is going to give us 8+ bands. So we start with the topic of, put the actual topic here, has generated considerable debate in recent years. If it is something that is a general topic like climate change or something broad, you can say in recent years. That's why I put it in brackets. In some cases, if it's a smaller topic, like it's centered around a community center, for example, then we don't say that. Particularly, now this is, guys, where you stand out from the other students because you are not just making any general sentence, you're making it specific, particularly regarding, and let's say we're talking about something like climate change. So we can say particularly regarding the melting ice caps or glaciers. Okay, so this makes it more specific. It also covers the topic, basically rephrases the question. First sentence done, next sentence. Instead of simply giving your opinion, in my opinion, which everybody will do, you're going to do it in this manner, while. And by doing while, you're making it a complex sentence because it is while, da-da-da, comma, da-da-da. 2 clauses. While some individuals argue that something is needed, so here you put the other side that is not your opinion. And then you say, comma, I firmly believe that. And here you state your opinion. Okay, so this is where you give your opinion. It's full of advanced words, range of sentences and vocab like firmly, using an adverb and adjectives, as well as complex sentences. That's why this template is full of key content that examiners like, and it checks all the examiner marking criteria. Similarly, when we go to the conclusion, we're making it fancy as well. In conclusion, although, again, making it a complex sentence, critics raise concerns regarding something, the topic, put the actual topic here. These arguments, after that, you're going to say these arguments tend to overlook the wider benefits involved. And then you will state your opinion again. Nevertheless, advanced word, I remain convinced that this, my opinion, is beneficial overall as it produces meaningful and lasting results for society as a whole. Now, in this case, it would be obviously paraphrased according to the question type, but something like this could be used in a way where you're expressing something positively. I also have a sample answer using this template, so I'll talk about that at the end of this video, so stick around. Now let's get into paragraph 2, which is your body 1. Here you explain one main point. You start by addressing that point right away. You say one major fact is that something, whatever this one thing is, that is in your topic, contributes directly to, and here you mention the one benefit, the key benefit. Don't explain it, just mention it, because it is just the topic sentence. Once this is done, your next sentence starts with this. This is evident in situations where something leads to whatever. So in this case, we said something leads to practical improvements and so on, but it is going to be something else that is positive based on your topic. As a result, and this is going towards your ending of the paragraph, it becomes clear that dismissing this would ignore its broader positive impact, or would ignore its specific benefit that you're talking about here. Okay, paragraph 3 is body 2. Here, you are going to give your second point that supports your opinion. Moreover, complex advanced connector. It can be argued that this, again, our opinion, offers significant social and economic benefits as well. And then this is our topic here in this paragraph, social and economic. We're going to elaborate that, starting with sentence number 2. This argument is based on the fact that something whatever this specific thing is, creates opportunities that extend beyond immediate outcomes. And then, for instance, here is where you expand on this. You can see what we're doing here is the first sentence just states the topic, the main advantage. The second one gives a little bit more explanation, not entirely, but opens it up a little. And this one, this structure with for instance, really opens it up and gives detail. And if you build it like this, you're gaining your mark for coherence and cohesion. Finally, finishing it off with something like therefore or hence. These advantages further reinforce the importance of, in this case, we said continuing this practice, but similarly, you can use whatever words fit the point you're trying to explain here. So once again, guys, opinion and opinion rephrased in the conclusion. Body 1, 1 point, body 2, the other point. Use this template. It's on your screen. You can pause the video, take a screenshot, and once you do, we're going to get to the sample for this, how to actually write this using an actual answer. We'll look at that in the very next video coming up in just 2 days. So if you haven't already, please subscribe to this channel to get notified. And also I would appreciate if you can drop a like and any comment with any questions you have. Thank you. See you next time.